Hello friends, welcome to my channel IELTSdailytips.com. In this video, I will be talking about 7 tips for scoring high into the reading test. So as all of you know that reading is one of the most tricky and lengthy section in the IELTS test. But we can score high in this module if we attempt it wisely because all the answers are in the passage. So here are 7 tips and tricks to remember before attempting the IELTS reading test. Let's start with the tip 1. Read smart, not fast. So now this is very important. You have to read the questions given at the end of the passage first and just get a rough idea what the passage is about and then answer accordingly. Tip 2. Time management. Spend 20 minutes on each passage, or to be more accurate, spend 1 minute or 1 minute 30 seconds at the most per question. Tip number 3. Transfer the answers to an answer sheet accurately and in correct order, but do it side by side, not at the last minute, because you are more prone to mistakes then. Tip 4. Practice a lot. As all of you know that practice makes a man perfect. When you are preparing for the IELTS exam, just make sure that you attempt one paper daily so that you are familiar with what type of questions are there in the reading test. Tip number 5. Read the instructions very carefully at the beginning of the questions, because there is, sometimes the instructions are there that you have to answer the question in 1 or 2 words, and if you are writing just 3 lines or 1 line for the answer, then you will not get the marks. It will be marked as wrong. Tip number 6. Please do not leave any space blank at the end of the test. If you do not understand any question, just make an educated guess, because sometimes the guesses are also right. Tip number 7. If you do not understand any difficult word, just make sure that you do not waste time on it. Just move on, because if you will waste time on it, then you will not be able to finish your exam. That's all for the 7 tips for IELTS reading test. I hope you liked the video, and if you find my content knowledgeable and interesting, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.